For more than 40 years, an Oak Cliff-based nonprofit has quietly transformed lives, one child and one family at a time. Youth 180 is North Texas's leading organization providing free, holistic trauma-informed prevention and prevention and treatment programs to youth and their families, meeting them right where they need to be. At the heart of it all is Kerri Stitt, a passionate leader and the driving force behind the organization's growth and statewide impact. And under her leadership, Youth 180 has reached new heights now, and she's using her platform to turn purpose into prevention. And this morning's Success in the City, I want to introduce you to the woman that's reshaping futures here in North Texas and giving vulnerable kids a fighting chance.
Well, let me be clear. I don't balance anything.
This is Kerri Stitt.
I'm a single mother. I have two boys. I have a 14 and 4-year-old.
Her story, it isn't perfect.
Being an independent woman and a CEO, I'm not going to reach out and say, hey, I need some help.
As CEO of Youth 180, day in and day out, Kerri leads with purpose, setting out the stepping stones for the next generation, helping young lives to rewrite their own stories.
Healed people heal people. And so being able to have a positive impact in a young person's lives could look totally different depending on, what they're maybe struggling with.
She's proof that you don't have to be perfect to make a difference. You just have to show up with heart.
What we really want to see is, what is the outcome of those sessions? Are we seeing a reduction in anxiety? Are we seeing a reduction in depressive symptoms? And it's a resounding yes.
Kerri tells me last year, 77% of Youth 180's 30,000 clients have reported a reduction in anxiety symptoms, which without the resources the program provides, like prevention, intervention, and treatment, could later lead youth to substance use.
Our prevention program is embedded in the communities, in the schools, across 4 different counties in Texas or North Texas. We're in Dallas, Hunt, Rockwall, and Kaufman. And those prevention programs aim at helping young people identify maybe positive peers that, could help them succeed in life, good decision making. And we also work with the parents as well.
Youth 180 is the only adolescent outpatient treatment center in Dallas that services kids with either no insurance or are only insured through Medicaid.
With Texas ranking #1 in the country for number of uninsured children, it's a large number of kids that, need our services. Substance use is an issue of minutes and seconds, and so we don't have that long to wait for somebody to develop a substance use disorder.
Kerri's work is a reminder. While the challenges today's kids face are real, so is the progress. And as Youth 180 continues to grow under her watch, so does the vision to spark the kind of change that saves young lives. And to Kerri, that is the real success. So let me tell you what's really cool about the work that Kerri and her staff are doing right now. With just weeks left in the legislative session, Youth 180 is fighting for several bills that would expand access to mental health and substance use treatment for young people, including coverage for care and easier access to life-saving medications. Also, equal pay too. House Bill 1142 ensures that government health plans provide coverage for mental health and substance use disorder treatment. Senate Bill 1732, this would expand access to medication-assisted treatment by allowing nurse practitioners and also physician assistants to administer treatments, helping reduce cravings and prevent overdoses for those young folks too. And then there's House Bill 2528. This would eliminate prior authorization requirements for medication-assisted treatments and also streamline access to critical care for kids too. So thank you to Kerri for sitting down with me, and you can find her story plus more on Youth 180 and also more of my Success in the City stories on CBSNewsTexas.com.